Execution agent. Execution agent is a Windows service which is constantly running in the background. It has two processes. One of them checking schedule table, and if there is anything to execute, it adds records to the queue table. And another process checks the queue table, and if there is anything to execute, it uses a separate command line utility for action execution. Let's add something to the schedule by clicking the schedule button, and we set that we want to use agent for execution. Enable it. We say that to execute 21, 22, the last, all day. Click OK, and click OK. We also need to enable agent on the maintain tab. It is already enabled, and we need to check the options and make sure that do not execute any actions is ticked. And we need to start the execution agent. It is started. We also need to make sure that we're using correct username. This is a normal Windows user. Do not use a local system account because it is not going to work. And we also need to make sure that this user has enough access rights to the files and folders we want to process. Click cancel. Another very important point is not to use mapped drives. For example, for log file, because mapped drives do not exist inside Windows services, and also do not use mapped drives for directories. Let's check if anything is actually executed. Just click on the execution block. Let's wait a bit. The benefit of using separate command line utility for execution is memory management. We use a lot of third-party tools, and some of them may leak memory, and this approach allows us to use operating system to recover from memory leaks. It makes our ETL software more stable. So you can see it was executed, and it was executed by the command line utility, and it was submitted by the agent for the execution. And we use a 32-bit version of the agent and 32-bit version of command line utility. And this is because we selected the platform 32-bit. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.